It's the 8th day of Vlogmas, the battle rages on, but I'm confident Marmite will win. Right kids, now we get down to the nitty gritty. I'm going to do one Marmite, one Vegemite. I'm going to cut them in half and I'm going to give half each to me and the hubby. Let's see. We'll go with Marmite first because it is the greatest. Look at that, marvellous. Oh, look at it, it's so glossy and beautiful. Okay, this looks like it might be the right amount, judging by what Dale said. I did taste it. It tasted quite earthy, a little bit muddy. It's going to be a little bit more sparing with that. This is hubby's plate, marmalade, Marmite, Vegemite. This is my plate, raspberry seedless jam, Marmite, Vegemite. I love raspberry jam, but the seeds annoy me, so we actually won this jam in a competition. And I thought this is going to be the perfect jam. It's raspberry, the flavour I love, but without the seeds that annoy me. And it is so weird. It is so weird to not have seeds in it. It's really disconcerting. Right, let's build the tray and get upstairs and try this stuff. Let's do a quick outfit of the day before it gets stuck into the toast. I'm wearing this asymmetric pink kind of, again, batwing. I seem to like a batwing. Top, this is donkey's years old. I seem to say that about a lot of my clothes, but I do tend to keep things and use them and wear them until they completely fall apart. This is from Phase 8, yes. And like I said, I've had this for donkey's years. So one of the things I really like about it, obviously apart from the colour, is the fact it's got this asymmetric line here. So it's higher up on this side, goes down on this side. But oh look, oh, cheeky little bit of a split up the side. Fleshy with tattoos. Oh, hello. Normally I would wear this with like a little vest top underneath, but as I'm at home I'm just wearing it as is, and I've got some Dee Dee Boppers on because it's not Christmas without Dee Dee Boppers. And today I'm wearing more Christmas PJs, but these are the ones with my festive flamingos and zebras and things on. So that is my outfit of the day. Right, let's do this. The raspberry I'm going to keep as kind of pudding toast. I always like to have my sweet stuff at the end. If we ever have a big fry up at home, or even if we go out for a fry up, what I like to do is keep a slice of toast to one side, eat all the savoury stuff, pop a little bit of jam or something sweet, marmalade, something like that on the toast, and that is known as pudding toast. And it is very popular in our house. With me, not with hubby. Okay. I feel I need to go in on the... This is where a dodgy sense of smell and taste might actually come in handy for the Aussies. I would say this is really earthy. And when I say earthy, it's kind of muddy. Sorry about the conference call sounds coming from next door. Hubby is on a conference call, so he is not able to do the taste test with you on screen, but I will get his tasting notes afterwards. Yeah, it's very kind of, I don't think I'm a fan. I think partly because I'm expecting it, because it's yeast extract and it's dark brown, same as Marmite. I'm kind of expecting it to taste a bit like Marmite, and it doesn't. It's a world of difference, actually. It really is a world of difference. The Marmite is a lot more salty. Dale did mention that in her taste test. It is a lot more salty, but it's got a lot more flavour to it as well. It feels like it's got spices and peppers and all sorts of flavours going on in it. And the Vegemite needs seasoning. That's what it is. It needs seasoning. It's got a flavour, but it tastes like it hasn't been seasoned. My verdict, unsurprising as it may be, Marmite's the winner! Right, I've got a meeting with my boss now, so I'm gonna shot my Actimel and crack on. I'll see you guys later. Okay, I also need your help. I'm gonna ask you to tell me what colour to paint my toenails. I haven't done it yet, but I'd like to do it before the weekend. And these are my colour choices. My classic signature Pompeii purple. This is a kind of a reddy colour called So Hot It Burns. And this is a really dark kind of purpley, you can just about see there, dark kind of purpley, reddy, almost black. This is black cherry chutney. So which colour should I pop on my toenails? Let me know in the comment section down below which is your favourite. And I will actually paint my toenails the colour that comes up the most in the comments. I'm back. It's been a bit of a day, and we've got
Hello.
So you've appeared.
Hello.
Hello. Have you got something you want to say?
What do you want me to say?
I want you to tell me what you thought of the Vegemite versus Marmite.
Okay.
Sitch.
So, I tried Vegemite before and really didn't like it, but clearly that was when I was smoking, and obviously having not smoked for, I don't know how long it is now, 2 years, my taste buds have changed. It was a bit more earthy.
Interesting.
It wasn't as strong tasting either.
As the Marmite?
Yeah, yes. I would never pick it over Marmite, but if they suddenly stopped making Marmite, I could probably switch over, but I'd be sad knowing that I was never going to have Marmite again.
I wouldn't. I would try Bovril, and because I think I've had that before and I didn't like it.
I don't think you can have that on toast.
It's a bit runny, isn't it? I think, is it Bovril just made for hot drinks?
I think so. Bovril's nice as a hot drink. It's nice as a hot drink. We used to go to football. Drinking gravy. When we used to go to like League 2 football, we'd have Bovril, and it was freezing cold. We'd have Bovril and a pie. It's nice. It's a lot of meat.
Okay.
Very meaty. But yeah, it wasn't horrendous. It wasn't horrendous. I don't know why you would pick Vegemite over Marmite, though. Do you want to make this personal? I'm not going to name names, right? No. I mean, I don't think it's fair to call Autumn out for the fact that she doesn't understand it, and I'm surprised because she likes her whiskey and she likes her red wine. I'm surprised that she clearly has functioning taste buds. I just don't get it. But I would never say that on camera for you to put on YouTube. So no, I don't need to. I don't feel the urge to call anyone out. I'm really sorry, Autumn. I really am sorry. I didn't mean any of it. I'm sorry.
I actually meant Dale.
Oh, she's Australian. She doesn't know any better. Also, Dale, sorry. 'Cause I know, I will say to her, don't put any of that in. I was just joking, and it will definitely go in. She won't listen to me. So I am only joking. I'm joking.
You tell me off for taking those bits out. You're like, you cut all that bit out. Yeah, you told me to.
No, that's true.
It is true. Seeing as you're here, you could open up day 8 on the Hotel Chocolat
I'm not going
calendar.
to right, no, listen, I'm not going to take a chocolate when there's one. But when there is 2 chocolates, right, you should be thinking, I'm going to give one to Mark, not I'm going to stuff both of them in my face.
Look here, look in the lens.
Well, I'm looking at you, I'm talking to you.
Oh, yeah. You know you're not. You're talking to your fans.
You got no fans.
Come on, open it.
I don't want to.
I don't trust myself around that bloody Christmas tree. Oh. T-Rex, you're being manhandled by the lion. 8th, yes, it's the 8th today.
Oh, it's your dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Michael.
It is Dad's birthday today. Happy birthday, Daddykins.
Oh,
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
It's a bath bomb.
It's a bath bomb. Oh, hello. Right, so what is it? A mousse au chocolat?
Yeah, it's horrible.
Is it
It's not
melting
sweet.
on you?
It's not sweet or anything. No.
Lick it. All right, now you can find my gin.
Ugh, that is not nice.
Oh, it's very powdery. It's
The
very
outside's
dark.
horrible. I'm gonna
Interesting.
need my glasses. I'm going to need a bigger boat.
Oh, I've seen it.
Where is it?
Bottom left.
Is it there? That it? God damn, getting old. I hate it. Right. Let's hope for a flavoured one, eh?
No. Let's not hope for a flavoured one.
Definitely a flavoured one. It's 100% a flavoured one. It's beet, feta, peach and raspberry.
Yes, peach and raspberry. Damn it. Are you going to try it?
No, can't get into it.
Good boy.
You definitely got the peach. I'm not feeling the raspberry at all.
I've definitely got the peach. And it's almost got like, you know when a raspberry's a little bit sour?
Sorry.
You know when a raspberry's a little bit sour, a little bit tart? I've got that feeling of the tartness behind the flavour of the peach. Because peach isn't generally tart.
It's true.
I'm not looking forward to that.
Okay, are you done with me?
Yeah, you can go and make me a gin and tonic now, please.
No.
Yes, please, that would be
I've got
nice.
stuff to do.
So have I.
Yeah, but I've got important stuff to do.
I know you're cooking dinner tonight, but
That's not what I meant.
I know it's a new season of Destiny. And that's why you've taken tomorrow off work.
It's not a new season, by the way. It's 30th anniversary. It's
30th
bigger
anniversary.
than that.
Okay. I don't want that gin. Can I have a normal gin, please?
It's doubtful.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. Bye, YouTube.
Wasn't that nice of the lion to drop in? It's been a bit of a day. I've got a couple of things that snuck through the code freeze, but really it's just replenishing stocks that have run out. So it's not really buying myself anything. So I've got a couple of things to show you. I'll do that tomorrow, because I'm feeling quite pooped, and I still haven't watched Strictly from Saturday or Sunday. Today is Wednesday, because we were with my dad at the weekend. So I'm going to go and put my feet up and watch Strictly. She's like the Queen of Sheba.
I don't know where that went. Oh, there it is.
What is she doing? I mean, she did eventually get up for me last night.
I don't want to pour. I want some involvement from you, some engagement, not just pour. You dropped it. No paws.
I have no idea where she got this from. Because Daisy, you don't do that, do
Daisy,
you?
you're a good girl. Apart from the fact you swallow it whole. Right, and you can just lounge around and get treats. Daisy.
No more treats for Lily until she can get up.
There you go. No, don't lick fingers in advance. We know that's wrong. Last one. Hold on a second. Hold on. Because Mummy's filming and she's going to want to see this. Mummy? Watch Daisy.
Oh, did you hold on to it?
Wee, wee, wee. Ow with the claws.
Oh, Daisy, you're so lovely.
Last one.
You just said last
I
one.
didn't say last one over there. Daisy. There you go.
I love how her ears go back when she does it.
Lily Bean. That's it.
Are you just checking, Daisy?
It's like sandpaper. Bag in there.
Are you encouraging them? She's got a paw in there.
No paws. No paws. No paws. It's face or nothing.
That's how she works, Daddy. That's how she works in Mummy's water. Good girl, Daisy. Oh my God. You really are a bad influence, aren't you?
Are you just eating as many as you possibly can? Did you get one? I'm not convinced you got one. Because she... Oi. Because she chews.
You are a
That's
softie, aren't you?
No.
Pardon? Yes, you are.
Yeah, that's why you got so many handbags.
Okay, we'll leave it there.